God. Masshole.
There's no one even in front of them. They had plenty of room.
There was no, it was literally just to get in front of me.
Plenty of room.
Here he comes. Flying up the left lane. Look at this. Ready? Look. It's good. Idiots. I'm doing 80 just for speed reference.
Yeah, that's ridiculous. Shame. This guy just driving with no lights on.
Yeah, what do you need lights for? It's midnight. You don't need lights.
Yo, fam, check this out, yo. Y'all know China's a bad place, right? Y'all know that, right?
Yeah, it's not my cup of tea.
Like, that's a blank. Like, well, based on the way we live our lives and our culture and laws here, China, we wouldn't like.
Yeah.
Go get him.
Hey, we disagree with you on a lot of things. I just wanted to say that, so, you know, when you go out NBA.
Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 idiots crashed into each other.
Hit the button one time for the Yankees.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
I mean, they came back home and they lost the game. We love the Yankees, and hopefully this thing plays out. But man, yeah, man, Garrett Cole's very, very good. And I think everyone knew yesterday would be a tough situation. And listen, it could be worse. You could be the St. Louis Cardinals.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Wow.
Have the faith to give them a 97% customer satisfaction rating, which is more faith than you have going into that second loop.
Jesus Christ. Okay. Just went right, straight from the right only lane.
Favorites. It's just my opinion, New York, and I know people asking me how can I have Andre.
Oh, there's the R. Charles, that's for you. R, no blinker. Oh, now we'll put the blinker on.